any core themes that exist today, whether in the U.S. or the world at large, around innovations that are really having a big impact? Obviously, big parallel would be AI, but I don't know if there's anything in alloys, ceramics, glass, anything that's the big thing right now.
That's a very good question. I'm not sure if we have that one big thing, but I mean, AI is also not only this one big thing. It's a collection of many tools and things that you combine and reshuffle. And I think the same is true with materials. There's a lot of innovation going on, especially in the energy space, in the coating space. It's still, and we know this from the time of semiconductors, miniaturization is always a topic. Higher efficiency nowadays is actually more on sustainability and circular economy. You try to avoid mixing all kinds of materials, because if you use more pure materials, it's easier to either recycle them or to reuse them. That's certainly a big trend. And I mentioned energy. I mean, we all struggle to find enough sources for energy that is affordable. Maybe at some point we can use nuclear fusion technologies. That's still some time to go, but there I expect significant innovations. Well, and we are all aware of the healthcare industry. There's a lot of innovation over the last couple of decades, and I expect there will be more in the future decades. There are still so many diseases we cannot cure, so that is certainly a field, even though I'm currently outside of that field.